Are you ready to keep your sellers in the loop and turn those listing leads into closed deals, all on Autopilot? First, logged into your Kvcore dashboard, you'll land on the main screen where you see your contacts and marketing tools. Now, on the left-hand side, navigate to and click on Marketing Autopilot. This is where the magic happens. Next, select Campaign Triggers. We're going to set up a specific trigger that fires whenever a new listing lead comes in. Click the Add Trigger button. This opens a new window where we define the conditions and actions for our automated process. In the Trigger Event dropdown, choose New Lead, then, under Lead Source, specify the source as listing lead and make sure that it is associated with the appropriate listing. Select the seller of this listing as the recipient of the email or text message. Now, craft your message. Write a clear and concise email subject line like New Potential Buyer for your property. In the body, include essential lead details like name, contact information, and any notes they added. Review your trigger summary to ensure everything is set up correctly. Double-check the lead source, the message content, and most importantly, that the email is routed to the listing's assigned seller. Finally, activate the trigger by toggling the active switch to the on position and save your changes. And that's it. Kvcore will automatically notify your sellers about new listing leads, keeping them informed and engaged.